I wanted to create a follow-up video to my previous video, which was discussing just briefly how to code in Ren'Py so that your player can input their own name and or so there will be a default name. So I'm going to show you just what to change based on that code, which is seen here, this area, these 4 lines. And so this is a response to specifically this question from earlier. Hi, how do I make it so that if a player name isn't put in, the game tells you to put one in instead of giving the default name to the MC? So I'm just going to preface really quickly and say I am still a beginner at Ren'Py. I played around to find a solution. Is this the only solution? No, probably not. Is this the best solution? Probably not. Is it the most efficient? Probably not. Again, this is the only thing I could discover based on my testing earlier. So, there's probably better answers out there. There's probably someone way more knowledgeable out there. But this is just the workaround that I found. I hope that it's helpful to anyone who does not want to provide a default name and wants to force the player to, insert a name for the game. So here's how it goes. So first, we're going to eliminate the default area in terms of eliminate the name. So I had Violet there. You want to remove that. Then you want to go down and you see how this is indented. For this, we're not going to do that. We're going to move that back. We're also going to move down the indentation for these. Move back the indentation for these. You're also going to actually change what this line says. So go back one. So it should only be one indent after if MC name equals quotation syntax. We're going to jump. And then you can label the jump whatever you want. For the purpose of this, I'm labeling it jump must name. Then we're going to go down and create the actual label for that. Again, this probably isn't the most efficient, but it's just a quick fix that I found. So label must name. Then you want to open 2 quotations, go inside of those. What do you want to put? Put whatever you want. I'm going to put please enter a name to continue. Then, just for simplicity's sake, because we want to create kind of like a jumping loop type of thing, that's probably not the correct terminology. Like I know those are like actual terms that you use for certain things you do, but that's just how I'm doing it. I'm going to call it a jump loop. Not officially, unofficially. So you're going to just copy and paste the 4 lines from before this. So it looks the same. Literally, the only thing you've added is please enter. So if they do it, now let's see if it works. I'm going to save. I'm going to open up the test build for this tutorial. And I hope that it works. All right, so right here, you don't have a name put. So if you don't want a default, right now, there's no default. So what happens if we just press enter and they don't put a name? It says, please enter a name to continue. So then they press enter again, and it jumps back to that. What is your name? And then they press it again because they're like, no, I don't want to do that. And then they press it again. It'll literally just continue doing this. So that's essentially how to do it. Again, I don't know if that's like the best way, but I will say when I just left it blank, and then I didn't have like the jump and you just enter, it literally will just have no name there. So the person can continue the game without a name. So I'm guessing you don't want that. So, yeah, I would say use this for now. If you find a better solution, of course, you can use that. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please, leave a comment or a like or any questions you have, and I'll do my best to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.